take down the problem. The inverse DFT. You are able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Compute the inverse DFT of the sequence x of k is equal to 2, 1 plus j, 0, 1 minus j. Okay. So here how many samples we are having? We are having 1, 2, 3 and 4. So altogether we are having 4 samples. So capital N will be equal to 4. Okay. Capital N will be equal to 4. Why? This is 1, this is 2, 3 and 4. So 4 number of samples we are having. So capital N will be equal to 4. So what is the formula for IDFT? So formula for IDFT is x of n is equal to 1 by n summation k is equal to 0, n minus 1, x of k, wn to the power of minus kn. Okay. So in DFT what it was? It was x of k is equal to summation n is equal to 0 till n minus 1, x of k, wn to the power of kn it was. Okay. So now x of n is equal to 1 by 4 summation k is equal to 0 till 3, x of k, w4 to the power of minus kn. So n is nothing but 4 here. So we have put 4 here. And here n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, it is 3. So w4 to the power of minus 0. Since it is wn to the power of minus kn, we will see that w4 to the power of minus 0, what it will be? E to the power of minus j 2 pi by 4. Wn is what? Wn is e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n. In the same way, wn to the power of minus 1, what it will be? It will be e to the power of j 2 pi by n. So e to the power of j theta will be what? Cos of theta plus j sin theta. Okay, if it is e to the power of minus j theta, what it is? Cos of theta minus j sin theta. In the same way, if e to the power of j theta means what it is? Cos theta plus j sin theta. So here it will be equal to 1. So here e to the power of this minus and this minus into minus plus it becomes. So e to the power of j theta, what it will be? Cos theta plus j sin theta. So what you will be getting? You will be getting j. Calculate this one, w4 to the power of 0, w4 to the power of minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and see whether you are getting the same answers. Calculate and tell me. Getting? Calculated? Arvind?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, expand that IDFT formula. Expand this one. X of n is equal to 1 by n, summation k is equal to 0, n minus 1, x of k, wn to the power of minus kn. What you'll be getting? Tell me. See here. X of n is equal to 1 by n means it is 1 by 4. Okay. So it is 1 by n, summation k is equal to 0 till 3, x of k, w4 to the power of minus kn. And I'll expand this one. So when I expand 1 by 4, this one will be x of 0, w4 to the power of, this is k will be 0. So w4 to the power of minus 0 plus x of 1, w4 to the power of, here k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1, k is equal to 2, k is equal to 3, you have to expand. So x of 1, w4 to the power of minus n, x of 2, w4 to the power of minus 2n, x of 3, w4 to the power of minus 3n. Expand this one. Okay. So after expanding, substitute that. So when you substitute, x of 0 is what? In the given sequence, what is x of 0? X of 0 is 2, x of 1 is 1 plus j, x of 2 is 0, x of 3 is 1 minus j. The same thing you will substitute here. So 1 by 4, x of 0, w4 to the power of minus 0 plus x of 1, w4 to the power of minus n plus x of 2, w4 to the power of minus 2n plus x of 3, w4 to the power of minus 3n. Now when I substitute 2, 1 plus j, 1 minus j. Okay. So what you will be getting? For n is equal to 0, x of 0 will be 1 by 4, 2 plus 1 plus j, w4 to the power of 0, that is minus 0, it is 1. So here also n will be equal to 0. So this also is 1. So what will be getting? 2 plus 1 plus j plus 1 minus j. So what is the answer? It is equal to 1. In the same way, in this equation, you substitute for n is equal to 1. So when you substitute for n is equal to 1, x of 1 is equal to 1 by 4, 2 plus 1 plus j into w4 to the power of minus 1 plus 1 minus j w4 to the power of minus 3n, minus 3. So substitute for those things, what you will be getting? You will get 0. In the same way, put n is equal to 2 in this equation. In this equation, put n is equal to 2, you will get x of 2. In the same equation, put n is equal to 3, you will get x of 3. Calculate and tell me the answer for x of 2 and x of 3. Calculate and tell me the answer for x of 2 and x of 3. Got? What you got x of 2?
Zero.
X of 3? What is x of 3? See, if you miss one class also, you will not be able to follow. Kirti, tell me what is x of 3?
1.
Correct. Understood? Everyone should
Yes,
answer.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now take down the next problem. This problem we all have to do. I will not do. I'll give you the question. You all should solve and tell me. Take down this one. Compute the IDFT of the given sequence x of k is equal to two comma 1 minus j comma 2 comma 1 plus j 0 3 2 minus j comma 0. Count how many it is.
8 samples, madam.
Okay. So what will be your n?
Capital N is 8, madam.
So what is the formula for x of k? Sorry, IDFT. What is the formula for IDFT? X of n is equal to
X is equal to 1 by
1 by n summation
1 by
summation k is equal
n
to
is
0.
equal to 0 to n minus 1.
X of k wn to the power of minus kn. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Calculate what is w8 to the power of minus 0, w8 to the power of minus 1, w8 to the power of minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7 and tell me the answers. Balaji, able to follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answers for w8 to the power of minus 0, minus 1, minus 2 and all.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Ma'am, x of 0, 11, ma'am.
1 second, I'll check and this one you have calculated w n to the power of minus 0. Here there is a mistake here. The formula, this is 1 by n, okay? Don't get confused, it is 1 by k, it is 1 by n. W to the power of minus 0, what you got? It is 1.
1, ma'am.
W to the power of minus 1. Got the same answer? 1 by root 2 plus j by root 2.
Yes, ma'am.
W to the power of minus 2 is 0. W to the power of minus 3 is minus 1 by root 2 plus j by root 2. W to the power of minus 4, it is minus 1. W to the power of minus 5, it is minus 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. In the same way, W to the power of minus 6 is minus j. W to the power of minus 7 is 1 by root 2 minus j by root 2. Last class what I have told, it will get repeated. Okay, after minus 7, this becomes your 8, W to the power of minus 8, W to the power of minus 9, W to the power of minus 10, minus 11, 12, 13. Okay, this will be 14. Again this will be 15. Again 16. Again it comes here. 16, 17, 18 like this. Okay. So once you expand, you will get all those numbers also. So it is better to know. So x of n, what you got? See, when I expand, what I'll get, x of n is equal to 1 by 8, x of 0, w to the power of minus 0, plus x of 1, w to the power of minus n, x of 2, w to the power of minus 2n, x of 3, w to the power of minus 3n, x of 4, w to the power of minus 4n, x of 5, w to the power of minus 5n, x of 6, w to the power of minus 6n, plus x of 7, w to the power of minus 7n. Okay. So what is x of 0? It is given in the question. So substitute all those things. The sequence x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. So after substituting, you'll be getting this one, this sequence. So in this equation, what you have to do is you have to put for n is equal to 0. So for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 till 7 you all have to put, and you all have to substitute and do this. So now when I substitute for n is equal to 0, so what it is, x of 0 is equal to 1 by 8, 2 into this all becomes 0. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0. So we know that w to the power of minus 0 is 1. So when I substitute and when I do, what will I get? It is 11 minus j. So divided by 8. So that is nothing but 11 by 8 minus j by 8. Got x of 0, everyone? Everyone got the same thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next, what is x of 1? Substitute for n is equal to 1 and tell me the answer. What is x of 1? Tell me, what is x of 2? What is x of 1? Seema? Seema? Bhagyashri? Kirti?
Wait, ma'am, 2 minutes.
Still doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Got? Rajni?
Hey.
What is the answer? X of 1. It is minus 0.14 minus 0.265J. Got everyone? Vismaya? See, all should
Yes,
do
ma'am.
parallelly. Got?
Yes, ma'am.
What about X of 2?
Calculating, ma'am.
Calculate and tell me fast you should be.
Ma'am, X of 2 minus 0.125 plus J 0.875.
Wrong.
1 by 2J, ma'am. X of 2.
Yeah, correct. X of 2 is 1 by 2J. Correct. Check it out, Vismaya. What about X of 3? Raja Hatti not getting. X of 3 answer you will be getting it as 0.64 plus 0.08J. X of 4 you will be getting as 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8J. X of 5 again it will be 0.64 plus 0.765J. Okay. X of 6 is 0. Why? Because we are having in the sequence it is 0. So anything multiplied by 0 will be 0 itself. So X of 5, X of 6 and X of 7 you will not be getting. So it is nothing but 0. Okay. Next I'll continue in the next class as it is 11 already. Okay.